Hi, we're Dispatch Health. With the help of our trusty rover and an amazing team of healthcare professionals, we're redefining healthcare delivery to be more accessible, convenient, and cost-effective. Gone are the days of crowded and noisy waiting rooms. Dispatch is bringing back the house call with a simple and convenient service. The next time you're injured or ill, request care over the phone, online, or by using our mobile app. As soon as care is requested, we will follow up with you by phone to triage your condition. Once we confirm medical attention can be provided in the comfort of your home, we'll dispatch one of our healthcare teams. Our ER-trained providers will arrive at your front door within an hour. The Dispatch Rover is outfitted and equipped so that our medical teams can treat everything an urgent care center can, plus more. Our teams administer care in the comfort of your home, will prescribe any necessary medications, and provide post-care instructions. Rest easy. We'll bill your insurance directly and follow up with your primary care team to ensure everyone is up to speed and in the loop. There's a better way. Dispatch Health, providing the right care at the right time in the right place.